Hello, this is Vivek. In this video, I will see how to output HTML using a PHP echo. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. In previous videos, we have seen using echo PHP function and variables and a string concatenation, strings, all those things. In this video, we'll see how to output HTML. Previously, I am using break tags with this echo statements and variables. Here we'll see embedding strings, embedding variables inside, embedding variables and outputting HTML. Here I am using this echo hello Vivek, and it's working with a double quote marks. If we use it in a single quote marks, I'm changing it to single quote marks instead of double quote marks. Here it's not working. It's a hello dollar name. This dollar name is reading it as a simple string. It's not reading it as a variable. Here in this case, even if I am using curly braces, it's not working. You can embed variables within strings using double quote marks and curly braces. Here it's working within double quote marks, and with curly braces we'll embed these variables and super globals. Now we should see this message. It's working, and only with the double quote marks we can embed variables. One of the ways is directly adding the variable, and other way is using curly braces. You will learn about this while going through the applications. While learning about application development, you will learn all these concepts, and next we will see how to output HTML with the PHP echo statement. Embed variable with curly braces inside double quote strings. Here I am going to output HTML. Previously I was using only break tags. Here I am going to add span tags or paragraph tags for adding colors to these words. Here I am using double quote marks, and I'll add a paragraph tag or a span tags. If it's a paragraph tag, it will break into two separate lines, so that I am adding span tag, span style for adding a color for this text, and I am adding a blue for hello, and we'll add green for the variable or the name. Span closing tag, and I'll copy this opening span tag, pasting it here for this name variable with the curly braces. I am closing this span tag, and we'll update this color. Here you can see the color of this color blue. It's different because I am closing this statement here with this double quote marks. I should use a single quote marks not to break this echo statement. And here it's okay for color blue, and for color green we have an error on line number 32. That's because here I am using double quote marks, and here I am using again double quote marks. We can do one more thing. We can use slashes for skipping this double quote marks. Here you can see one way is we can use a single quote marks inside double quote marks, or we can use slashes for skipping these double quote marks. That's it. And we can use HTML inside echo tags, inside echo PHP function. Here if I see, for color blue it's a single quote marks, and For color green, it's a double quote marks in HTML. Just adding slashes, we just skip these quote marks. That's ending a PHP echo function. Previously it was PHP is thinking it's a ending echo PHP function. We just skipped it by adding a slash. Use a single quotes instead of double quotes, or use slashes to escape quotes. It's another important concept in PHP while working with these strings. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel, and do check out for next videos in this series, PHP basic series.